All right, so now let's do question 9. Let's do now question 9. All right, so we are going through question 9 and let's see how it goes. So here it says, let's do number 9, part A. It says, you have, okay, let's put the sets that they've given us first because they will apply the whole of number 9 because they will put on top of that. So we're going to have nice, easy questions because these sets are done by listing notation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and we have set B equal to the set with 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, right? Then we have set C, B equal to the set with 2, 3, and 5. There we go. Now let's do number A. It says they want A intersection B. These are just set operations and I will not allow you to struggle with them. Come on, you cannot, all right? You have to remember this. Intersection is like to say A and B. So we want the things that are in both A and in B. And it's simple. How do you make it? You just go and check everything which is in A and you check if it is also in B. If it is also in B, then we're going to put it in this set. So we start with 1. Is it also in B? No. 2, is it also in B? No. 3, is it also in B? Yes, so we put 3. 4, is it also in B? Yes, so we put 4. 5, is it also in B? Yes, so we put 5. And we are done because the set A is finished, so we are done. Then now we're going to go to the second thing, which is A intersection B union C. B union C. And that is O complement. Now we need to find this. Now this is so simple, okay? This is so simple because when I have a bracket, I know I just start with the things that are in the bracket. So I'm going to ignore this question. I'll start with B union C. What is that going to be? B union C. I'm just combining B and C. Okay, I'm just going to be combining B and C. Anything which is in B or in C or in both, I'm going to put it. So I'll start with the number 1 going all the way up to 9 and see if it's going to be in B or in C or in both. If it is in one of them or in both, then we put it down. That's the word. That's what union means. I'll start with 1. Is it in B? No. Is it in C? No. So we leave it. 2, yes, 2 is in C. So I put it. 3 is in both B and C. So I put it. 4 is in B. So we put it. 5 is in both, so we put it. 6 is in B, so we put it. 7 is in B, so we put it. 8 is in neither. 9 is in neither, so you can close now. Okay. Then now we want what is B union C complement. Okay, that big bar on top is for complement, things that are outside of B union C. So where are we going to look? We're going to look in A. What are the things that are in A that will not be in here? Because we have combined B and C here. So now we will check A is the only one that is not, and we see if it's something is not going to be in B union C, then we'll take it. So we'll start with 1. Is 1 in B union C? No, so we're going to take it. Then 2 is 2 in B union C? Yes, so we can't. 3, yes. 4, yes. 5 from A, is it in B union C? Yes, so we only have this. And we are done. Okay, so we can now say A intersection of B union C prime, okay, is going to be A intersection with this set that has 1. This is going to be what is in A that is also in here. It is also just a 1. So this is 1, okay, and would be done, and this is it, okay, and you'd be done. Now we're going to do part C, which looks like the easiest of them all. It says A minus B. Minus, we know it's simple. We are just going to try and bring back A. But if that something is in B, we will leave it. We'll try to bring back the whole set A, but if that something is in B, we leave it. So I'm going to zoom out and let's do it. So we start with thing in A. We start with 1. Is it in B? No, so we can bring it. Then 2, is it in B? No, so we can bring it. 3, is it in B? Yes, so we can't. 4, is it in B? Yes, we can't. 5, is it in B? Yes, so we can't. So it's going to be this 1 and 2. These are the 2 elements. And we close and we are done. We are done. So these are the things. Here are the solutions and we are done. All right, goodbye for now.